In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from Excel in Monday.com. If you've been managing information in Excel and you're ready to bring that data into Monday.com so your team can collaborate more easily, this walkthrough is for you. We'll go through the process step by step, keeping things simple and clear so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and that you have the Excel file you want to import saved on your computer. It's a good idea to quickly open your spreadsheet beforehand and check that your column headers are clear, because those headers will become your column titles inside Monday.com. For example, things like task name, due date, or owner should be in the first row. Once you're ready, look to the top right corner of your Monday.com workspace. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on that profile icon to open the menu. This menu gives you access to several account-related options, and one of them is the import feature. From that drop-down menu, go ahead and click on Import Data. This will open a new screen dedicated to bringing information from other tools and files into Monday.com. Here, you'll see different options for where your data can come from. Because we're working with a spreadsheet, choose the Excel option. Click on Excel, and Monday.com will start guiding you through the import process using on-screen prompts. These prompts are designed to walk you through each decision, so take your time and read them carefully. You'll typically be asked to upload your Excel file from your computer. After selecting the file, Monday.com will analyze it and show you a preview of your data. In this preview, you can confirm that the right sheet is selected if your file has multiple sheets. You'll also be able to see how your Excel columns match up with Monday.com columns. Follow the on-screen instructions to adjust any settings. For instance, you may be able to choose whether the first row is used as column headers, decide how certain data types are imported, or confirm which board the information should be added to. If something doesn't look right in the preview, you can cancel, fix your Excel file, and then start the import again. Once everything looks correct, confirm the import. Monday.com will process your file and create or update a board with your Excel data. After it finishes, take a moment to scroll through the new board and make sure all your items and columns appear as expected. And that's it. By clicking your profile icon, selecting Import Data, choosing Excel,